Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Edu2Fly. In this video we are going to study the introduction to microeconomics. In the previous video, that is part 1 of the video, we discussed about the meaning of microeconomics, the types of economy and the central problems of the economy, which is what to produce, how to produce and for whom to produce. So let us start with our topic. First one is the production possibility curve, PPC. So, PPC refers to a graphical representation of possible combinations of two goods that can be purchased with given resources and technology. PPC बेसिकली एक ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन होती है, एक कर्व होता है जिससे हमें पता चलता है कि कितनी क्वांटिटी किस गुड्स की परचेज कर सकते हैं विद गिवन रिसोर्सेज एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. यहाँ पे प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व को प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी फ्रंटियर भी कहा गया है एंड इसके बहुत सारे और नेम्स भी होते हैं, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कर्व, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन फ्रंटियर एटसेट्रा. सो लेट अस स्टडी दिस पीपीसी कर्व इन डिटेल. सो बेसिकली जब हम पीपीसी कर्व बनाते हैं तो उसकी अजम्पशंस क्या होती हैं. फर्स्ट इज ओनली टू गुड्स, सिर्फ दो ही गुड्स हम एज्यूम करते हैं कि इकोनॉमी में है और वही हम गिवन रिसोर्सेज एंड टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं. सेकेंड वन इज रिसोर्सेज आर एफिशिएंटली यूटिलाइज्ड. रिसोर्सेज जो है वो अच्छे से यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं हम, फुली यूटिलाइजेशन हो रही है. थर्ड, रिसोर्सेज आर फिक्स्ड. रिसोर्सेज फिक्स्ड हैं लेकिन इट कैन बी ट्रांसफर्ड फ्रॉम वन यूज टू अनदर. अब रिसोर्सेज जो हैं, कभी अगर मिल्क हम लेते हैं, मिल्क से हम कर्ड भी बना सकते हैं और कोई और स्वीट्स भी बना सकते हैं. सो it can be transferred from one use to another. Now next last point is technology is constant. Technology हम assume करते हैं कि constant है हमारी. Next यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं एक टेबल है जहाँ पे हमारी फर्स्ट कॉलम है possibilities, कि क्या क्या possibilities हैं कि हम two goods के क्या क्या combination ले सकते हैं. So there are two commodities here, guns and butter. So if we are using all the resources in making the guns, so 21 units are produced and butter is 0 here. But why it is 0? Because all the resources are used in making the guns. Alright. In the possibility B, you can see we have made 1 unit of butter. We have sacrificed 1 unit of the gun to make the butter. Similarly, in third one, we have sacrificed 2 units of guns to make butter and so on. So if we calculate the MRT, so what is MRT here? MRT is the marginal rate of transformation. It is the ratio between how much one thing is sacrificed to gain the other. Here, guns are being sacrificed to gain the other unit of butter. So MRT is 1:1 in B possibility because here 1 unit of gun is sacrificed to gain another 1 unit of butter. In the C possibility, 2 units of butter guns are sacrificed to gain another 1 unit of butter. So it is 2:1. 2 guns are sacrificed to gain 1 more unit of butter. Similarly, 3:1, 4:1 and up to 6:1. Here table is showing. We have done what is MRT, marginal rate of transformation, that is change in guns divided by change in butter in units. Next we are going to study what is basically how the PPC is made. So as you can see in the diagram, here we have taken X and Y axis. On X axis we have taken the quantity of butter and on the Y axis we have taken the quantity of guns. So you can see here we have plotted the points according to the table we have made here. We have plotted all the possibilities here and when we just join the dots we get a curve and this blue curve is known as the PPC, production possibility curve. Alright, now let us talk about what PPC tells us, कि PPC हमें actually में बताने की कोशिश क्या कर रहा है. अब यहाँ पे you can see the diagram In this diagram, we have made this PPC curve joining with the blue dots. Now, the blue dots, if the economy is on the blue dots, that means the resources are fully utilized. And here you can see the red dots. These red dots means the resources are underutilized, and this black dot indicates that the resources cannot be utilized here because it is a non-attainable point. We can't attain this point. This is non-achievable. So this is all about the PPC. There are three cases. One is non-achievable or non-attainable with the available resources and technology, which is shown by the black dot, and with the blue dot, fully utilization of resources on the PPC curve, and below, inside the PPC curve with the red dot, it is showing underutilization of resources. Now, as you can see, the PPC curve, you can always, take out the conclusion that PPC curve is downward sloping and it is concave in shape. So, why it is concave in shape? That is because we have to sacrifice one commodity in order to gain another commodity. That is why it is concave shape and downward sloping. So, moving ahead with the marginal opportunity cost. We have done the marginal rate of transformation. It was the ratio of the units of commodity sacrificed to gain one additional unit of the other commodity. But marginal opportunity cost is MOC, which refers to the number. MRT was the ratio, but MOC is the number of units of commodity which is sacrificed to gain one additional unit of the other commodity. So you can have a clear understanding what is MRT and what is MOC. So I hope अब तक आपको क्लियर हो गया होगा MRT and MOC में difference. Now let us move to the next slide. So here it is showing the shapes of PPC. So PPC can be concave, convex or straight line. By default it is concave in shape because MOC is always increasing, and when it is straight line, MOC is constant, and PPC convex कब होता है? When MOC is decreasing. Now let us study the shift in PPC. Here you can see the shift in PPC. The PPC can be shifted due to two reasons. First one is the growth of resources or the increase in the resources. Second one is the improvement in technology. PPC दो ही रीजन से शिफ्ट हो सकता है. फर्स्ट अगर रिसोर्सेज बढ़ जाते हैं, सेकंड अगर टेक्नोलॉजी में इम्प्रूवमेंट होती है. अब यहाँ पे ओल्ड पीपीसी हमारा रेड लाइन है एंड न्यू पीपीसी हमारा ब्लू लाइन है ड्यू टू द इंक्रीज इन रिसोर्सेज और द इम्प्रूवमेंट इन टेक्नोलॉजी. तो यहाँ पे राइट वर्ड शिफ्ट है. अब सिमिलरली लेफ्ट वर्ड शिफ्ट रेड लाइन के अगर इधर की साइड पे होती है तो लेफ्ट वर्ड शिफ्ट होती. नाउ एज यू कैन सी हियर इट इज अ लेफ्ट वर्ड शिफ्ट. इधर की साइड की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो दिस इज द राइट वर्ड शिफ्ट. एंड अगर रिसोर्सेस कम हो गए या टेक्नोलॉजी इम्प्रूवमेंट की जगह टेक्नोलॉजी ऑब्सोलीट हो गई तो हमारी पीपीसी जो है कर्व वो लेफ्ट वर्ड शिफ्ट कर जाती है. नेक्स्ट लेट अस टॉक अबाउट द रोटेशन ऑफ पीपीसी. सो talking about the rotation of PPC, here you can see the x and y axis. So you can see A and B. This dark shaped is the old PPC, and when there is a technology improvement of good X, here is the good X. Alright, now if the technology of good X improves, then the only good X will, here it will not shift, it will rotate. Similarly अगर Y की टेक्नोलॉजी इम्प्रूवमेंट होती है तो Y यहाँ पे हमारा दिस इज Y, तो Y में रोटेशन होगी, X एज इट इज इसी पॉइंट पे रहेगा. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share with your friends and do subscribe the channel.